Wade Glenna has been building for 30 years. I'm going to go through with Wade some common household products or upgrades in your home, and he's going to rank them based on, hey, this is the best product, S, A, B, C, D, worst product kind of thing.
Sure.
All right, Wade, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. First one, and this is the one I always get these questions on, especially at $1 million plus. What about LVP?
I would probably put it in the A category. It still doesn't look like wood. Wood's more comfortable on your feet, all that other stuff. But it is really durable. It's waterproof. It's more affordable. So I feel like it's a really good product.
What about builder grade carpet?
I would give that a C or a D, because if you're getting that entry level carpet, it's not very comfortable. It's not going to hold up. It's not going to last.
What about big box store cabinets?
I would put those probably the C category. I know there's a lot of good designers out there at those big box stores, but they are not as good as somebody is doing it for a more quality cabinet. Those cabinets, they serve their purpose. They're going to look pretty if you have a good installer. They're going to look pretty for a little while. They're not going to hold up.
What about builder grade paint? It's like a matte paint.
Probably put it in that C. We upgrade all of our paint to the second highest level of paint that Sherwin-Williams sells. It looks that much better. It's that much easier to work. But as far as the sheen of the paint, with my experience, I wouldn't ever do anything shinier than a satin.
What about hollow core doors?
Hollow core doors, I'd probably give those a C as well. They serve their purpose. If you're mad at your wife, you can't slam it. They just catch the air and bounce back. They serve their purpose. They're really easy to install. They're not heavy, so that's good.
Countertops. How do you rank a granite countertop? And we'll do that versus quartz. And
laminate's probably a C. There's tons of colors to pick from now, so that's really cool, and they're looking nicer and nicer every year. I mean, there's some pretty cool ones out there. It's the feeling of it. It's still gonna not feel like a piece of stone that's on your countertop. So that's kind of that C range. Granite, it's probably a B or an A. It's cool and it's different for everybody because God made it, man didn't. So yours is going to be different than the next guy's, even if you pick it and buy it from the same place. And then your quartz is that next level up, and there's all kinds of variables in between of all of these products.
what about fiberglass insert showers?
Okay, so those are probably in that. There's different levels of those. I would probably say B or C, leaving room for things that are better. I think they really serve their purpose. I think they almost never fail. If you have a good quality one, you're not going to get a leak. It's a good solid thing and you stay on top of cleaning it. It's probably easier to clean that than tile.
What about in-floor heat or just heating in general? Like where do you list the top heating, where do you list the bottom heating kind of thing?
The top heating for efficiency is probably your central system with a furnace, forced air. They're getting so crazy efficient, that pretty efficient system. Comfort-wise, I believe that nothing beats in-floor heat. Everything in that room is that temperature. You don't get the dry air blowing on you. Where with the furnace and the blowing air, you're just heating the air in the room. With the radiant in-floor heat, you're heating everything in that. Everything is that temperature. So comfort-wise, there's no question in-floor heat.
Wade, like always, thank you so much.
Yep.
Appreciate having you on.
All right.